Today we will be installing on a Dexter dryer with a red, a blue, and a green wire coming off the back of the coin mechanism. First, hook a tap to your green wire. Place it on the open end and rotate it around and move it up and down the wire in order to make sure that you get a good connection. Next, grab your tap with the pliers, but do not squeeze, and insert the green into the back side. Then squeeze it flush. Give it a tug to ensure you have a good connection. Then do the same thing with the blue wire. Put the blue wire on the open end of the tap and slide it up and down and rotate it around to ensure you get a good connection. Then insert the blue wire into the back of the tap and squeeze the tap flush. Give it a tug to ensure you got a good connection. Then close the lids of the taps. Next, we will be connecting the power. Always make sure that the machine power is off before connecting to any power wires. The power wires on this board are black and white at the back of the board. Place a red crimp tap on one of the power wires. Rotate it around again and slide it up and down to ensure a good connection. Unwind the blue and the brown wires. Connect the blue wire to the white wire. Give it a tug to ensure it's secure and close the top. Then connect the brown wire to the black wire. Please note that these wires are interchangeable. So if you hook the blue to the black, it's not the end of the world. Squeeze that flush and give it a tug to make sure it's secure. Then close the top. Finally, insert the MIB onto the 24-pin connector. And mount it on the inside of the machine.